ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Haye, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. First, let us catch up with the major headlines. Message of congratulations carries on. Eritrea participates at the 77th World Health Assembly. China-Arab states cooperation accelerates building of community with shared future. And U.S.-China defense chief hold raid talks on Taiwan, South China Sea. On our local news, heads of state and government from Yemen, Mongolia, and Thailand have extended their congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. Dr. Rashad Mohammed Al-Alimi, chairman of the Presidential Leadership Council of the Republic of Yemen, President Yukuna Kurarosuk of Mongolia, and Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin of the Kingdom of Thailand expressed their well wishes for good health to President Isaias Afwerki as well as peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. They also conveyed their readiness to enhance strong ties and mutual cooperation with Eritrea. Eritrea's delegation, led by Mr. Haptom Zerai, participated at the 77th World Health Assembly held in Geneva, Switzerland from 27th May to 1st June 2024. At the assembly, Eritrea's delegation expressed full support for the statement delivered on behalf of the African group. The delegation emphasized that this year's theme, All for Health, Health for All, resonates strongly with Eritrea's health policy. They stated that for the last 3 decades, Eritrea has continuously focused on improving the quality of and access to health care. The delegation further highlighted that health care in Eritrea is universally accessible to all citizens, irrespective of their social status or financial capabilities. They noted that health care is heavily subsidized in Eritrea, where patients only make nominal payments and financial support is provided to those in need. Additionally, healthcare services have registered marked expansion over the years, with 70% of population now living within 5 kilometers radius of functioning health facility. The delegation also revealed significant improvement in disease remedy and prevention in Eritrea, noting that only 5 malaria-related deaths were reported in 2023, for instance. Eritrea's significant advancement in routine childhood vaccination have garnered recognition and multiple awards in the past 2 decades. The delegation added that Eritrea has sustained universal immunization coverage at around 98% since 2013. Ambassador Alem Tsagai, Eritrea's ambassador to India, presented credentials to President Ramchandra Podal of the Federal Republic of Nepal in Eritrea's non-resident ambassador in that country. At the event held on 30th May in Kathmandu, Ambassador Alem conveyed a message of goodwill from President Isaias Afwerki to President Ramchandra Podal, expressed readiness to work into strengthening bilateral relations and cooperation between the two countries. President Ramchandra Podal in return expressed his good wish to the people and the government of Eritrea. The Ministry of Agriculture conducted an activity assessment meeting on 30th May in the port city of Asab. The meeting focused on the first quarter progress and 5-year strategic plan and was part of the series of similar meetings conducted across all regions since April 2024. The meeting was attended by Mr. Arrafaina Berhe, Minister of Agriculture, Ambassador Mohammed Said Mantai, Governor of Southern Red Sea Region, Brigadier General Abraham Andom, Commander of Eastern Command, and the Chairman and members of Regional Assembly, administrators of the subzone, heads of line ministries, and other officials were also present. During the meeting, reports were presented that highlighted the key elements of the 5-year strategic plan, including land development, natural resources management, crop and livestock development, integrated and sustainable agribusiness, and human resources development. In Omar Mohammed, Acting Director General of Agriculture and Land in the region, reported that infrastructure developments, noting that micro dam has been constructed in Afambo and Baisima, while another is in Romoda, South Dankala, is under construction. He also detailed that agricultural activities being conducted in the region, utilizing both rainfall and irrigation farming. Participants engaged in extensive discussion on the reports presented and adopted several recommendations. This included providing support to irrigation farmers, strengthening forestry safety, and developing sweet potato farming, among others. Speaking at the event, Minister Arafai Berha highlighted ongoing initiatives aimed at increasing agricultural production. These initiatives, including programs for exemplary farmers, small and integrated family agricultural programs, and small to medium agro-businesses, all of which are yielding encouraging results. Minister Arafai called or reinforced efforts on developing household poultry farming, cultivating sweet potatoes, bee farming, and expanding date and other fruit farming. He urged all relevant institutions, agricultural experts, administrators, and the public to strengthen their participation in these efforts. Ambassador Mohammed Said Mantai emphasized that the need to strengthen the information and data system in line with the new strategic plan and ensure water supply and develop human resources and research activities. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Just stay tuned. Welcome back. China and the Arab states adopted a series of outcome documents at a meeting in Beijing on Thursday, marking a significant stride towards building a community with a shared future. The 10th Ministerial Conference of the China-Arab States Cooperation Forum highlighted the growing ties between China and the Arab world against the backdrop of the closely watched Palestinian-Israeli conflicts, analysis said. The opening ceremony of the conference was attended by top leaders from China, Bahrain, Egypt, Tunisia, and the United Arab Emirates, as well as Secretary General of League of Arab States, Ahmed Abdul Gate, of other senior officials from Arab states. The gathering is expected to further consolidate consent between China and Arab states, chart the course of future cooperation, and raise a common voice from both sides on the Palestinian issue, analysis said. On our last news, the defense chiefs of the United States and China has held rare direct talks in Singapore, offering hope that further military dialogues could help prevent dispute over Taiwan and South China Sea from spinning out of control. Lloyd Austin and Dong Jun met early on Friday on the sidelines of the Shangri-La dialogue to hold their first substantive face-to-face discussion on 18 months. Defense chiefs and officials from around the world are attending the annual forum that has in recent years become a barometer of the U.S.-China relations. The dispute over the diplomatic Taiwan and Beijing consider part of its territory tops list of disagreements between the rivals. Beijing is furious over Washington's deepening defense ties in the Asia-Pacific, particularly the Philippines, and its regular development of warships and fighter jets in the Taiwan Strait and South China Sea. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Message of congratulations carries on. Eritrea participates at the 77th World Health Assembly. China-Arab States cooperation accelerates building a community with shared future. And West-China defense chief hold raid talks in Taiwan, South China Sea. That is all our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.